In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import email into a Aweber list. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Aweber account and you are looking at the correct list, because imports always go into the list you currently have selected. Once you are in the right place, go to the Subscribers section. This is where Aweber lets you manage people on your list. From there, select Add Subscribers to open the options for adding new contacts. Next, choose Import Multiple. This option is used when you want to add a group of subscribers at once, instead of entering them one by one. Now you will upload your file. Aweber supports CSV, XLS, and XLSX formats, so use whichever one you have. Before you upload, it helps if your spreadsheet has clear column headers, like email, name, or any other fields you plan to import. This makes the next part much smoother. After the file uploads, you will map the fields for the subscriber. This means you will match each column from your file to the correct field in Aweber, such as email address and name. Take your time here, because correct mapping ensures that names and other details do not end up in the wrong place. If there are columns you do not need, you can leave them unmapped. Once the fields are mapped, you can add tags or group tags. Tags are useful for organizing subscribers based on where they came from or what they are interested in. Use tags that you will recognize later, since they can help with segmentation and targeted email campaigns. Next, move to Confirmation Settings. Here you will choose whether to enable or disable double opt-in. Double opt-in means subscribers confirm their subscription, which can improve list quality. Choose the option that fits how you collected these contacts and your compliance needs. Then open More Options and describe how the subscribers joined your list. This information helps Aweber understand your import source and can reduce the chances of deliverability issues. Finally, click Finish Import. Aweber will begin processing your file, and your subscribers will be added based on the settings you selected. That covers everything you need to know.